Hello, this is Brother Joseph. This is part 5 of the habit, putting it together. Started, of course, with 4 pieces, then you divide it up into, you divide the shot of Turin dimensions up into 4 squares. Mine was a little bit bigger, and that's written in here. 4 pieces, assign each piece, Mark for the top, Matthew for the front, Luke for the back, and then John for the waist. There are buttons and there's slits. And I identify each one. We're going to do the waist, and that consists of 7 buttons, 29 slits. And here we have just a brief sketch of it without the numbers. There's John, it's the waist, and there it is. It folds in, and you'll see that later on. Here is the waist with all the numbers. There's a lot of slits here for one button because one you're going to be folding, as you can see, in twice. Once in half and then half again. But those other slits are for wrapping around your waist, and I'll show you later. Here is my waistband. Push that in. There we go. You see the slits. It folds in half and in half again, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay? Like you do with the top and everything else. But that's the end of part 5. Part 6 is coming up. I'll go through the rest of the sketchbook and I'll show you how to put it on. Part 6 coming up.